Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Short Tips and Tricks on mobilestechland.com. Let's take a look onto the problem and solution for today.
Now let's take a look at how to customize the home button of the iPhone 7. The home button on the iPhone 7 has been given an overhaul, making it more responsive than ever before. A new taptic engine gives you feedback vibrations to make using the iPhone 7 even easier. It's now more sensitive to how much force you can use to press the home button. Rather than the home button clicking when you press it like a physical button, the new home button of the iPhone 7 subtly vibrates at your touch. Best of all, you can customize the home button so it works exactly the way you want it to.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you like the video, do give us a thumbs up, and if you did not subscribe yet, do subscribe to our channel for daily videos.
Let's take a look at how to take even better photos with the new iPhone 7 camera. iPhones have always been celebrated for their cameras, and the iPhone 7 is no exception. With a revolutionized snapper that comes packed with the new handset, this includes a brand new 12 megapixel sensor for the rear-facing camera, which comes with OIS, which is optical image stabilization, for both the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus. A wide aperture lens brings in 50% more light and it's 60% faster, so taking amazing photos in low light conditions will be easier than ever. The flash has also been boosted. It's two-tone and comes with 4 LEDs, which makes it 50% brighter and 50% more reach. If you are annoyed with the horrible flickering effect when taking photos or videos with artificial light, then you'll be pleased to know that the iPhone 7 also comes with a flicker sensor for compensating against the effect. The camera also uses machine learning for auto exposure, setting autofocus, choosing the white balance and more, combined with tone mapping, noise reduction, and the ability to stitch together multiple shots to create the ultimate take. It's never been easier to take amazing photographs thanks to the iPhone 7.